All right, this is a update plan for Baidu. I made a plan last week, but that never confirmed. But it's okay. Things are even better now, and I'm going to explain these facts. So let's get to the Baidu plan. Baidu is set up to test at 190 to 192. It could go even higher. But how we get there will give us a better idea. The February '03 195 calls could be used. I will be explaining some key important facts why this stock could reach those targets at least. But confirmation is key. Well, people, before I talk about the confirmation part, why I like this stock setup still is that if we could confirm properly, it's a very low risk, high reward, something that could give 100% minimal to 2 to 300% gains in the options, depending on how powerful we move. Now, these options also are even a couple of weeks out, so there's plenty of time with them, right? And they're very inexpensive. But we'll talk about that after. Let's talk about what has to happen. Now, I'm going to explain this in depth. But first, I'm going to talk what I've written, and then I'm going to expand about what I've written. So listen and pay attention. Bidu needs to break above 179 on some good action volume. Good action volume is 500K on a 10-minute chart. If the volume is less than that, then this is the thing, key people. Baidu shows a power move to the 179 area, and we can't show it with volume. Well, I'm telling you, Baidu needs volume and strong price action if it's going to want to give us a move. History dictates this. And these options, again, give us plenty of time to make some nice gains. But confirmation is key. And in fact, we might be able to even get farther out options, depending on when when this confirms, right? We might confirm tomorrow for all I know. We might confirm 2 days from now. The point is it's got to confirm. All right, so if we don't break above 179 in good action volume, then we got to look for basing above 179 and look for power through 180 to 181, right? So what that means is maybe we don't, the stock doesn't break through the 179 and then it bases. I'm giving you an example. Below that, and then maybe the next day we get a power move. So through the 179. So basically, we want some sort of basing above 179 and look for power towards 180 to 181. Really, it doesn't matter if this shows us the power and confirms correctly, whether it's 179, 180, or 181. Those 185 calls are going to gain a lot of percentage gains, especially if we were to hit just one of the targets, which is the 190. We hit 190, and it's going to be nice gains. And if we do that quickly, it's going to be nice, solid gains. All right, let's go take a look at the options. All right, here's Baidu, and we closed today on January 23rd at 175.97. So let's go take a look at the February '03 calls. Okay, and I've been watching these, by the way. This is something I've been watching. There was about I think a 10-cent spread. So here's and again, also I want to mention now, because equally weighted. Well, you can see you could get it shows a 15-cent spread, but you roughly can get in within a 10-cent spread. Also, the 182.5 calls could be used. Okay, so when people listen to the video, I talk about these. These are two great options you can use: the 182.5 calls. Now the 185 right now closed at 50 cents. So on confirmation, this might confirm in the 80 to $1 area. I don't know. We don't know exactly, but that'll be a rough estimate. 80 cents to $1, right? And I could see these going to $3 each, especially if we hit targets within within 3 or 4 days after confirmation. Okay, and that's easily attainable by Baidu. And I'll explain one of the reasons why I think this could happen. Why Baidu might have a nice move. Because of one particular stock that I've been also paying attention to that actually surprisingly made a nice move today, which is Google. And the Google effect might help. Might be an effective reason, plus whatever the fundamentals for Baidu could send this stock to test that 190 area. But right now, as it stands, this is what the options are trading for. Okay, right over here, right? And this is for, again, January the 23rd. Okay. So like I said, people, we need volume and power, and that between that 179 to 181 area are going to be entry points. We're looking for power within those ranges of numbers. The beautiful thing is that this stock is consolidated more from my last update. The last update that I made, it was here about a week ago. And we failed to confirm. We didn't have the power according to the instructions of my other video, and we pulled back, and now we based the gain right above the 200-day moving average. But there was no surprise to me that this happened over here, and it was very clear not to enter. Some people thought it was a buy right away that day. No, it was not. We did not have the proper volume, people, and this is not, well, a lot of people didn't get into this, but I also said that I will state if this is a buy or not. I will make a post on my stream. I like this to confirm within the first hour of trading. That's the best time. So within the first hour of trading, we want to see this try to confirm the proper way. An hour and a half being the top, but that's usually the best case. It doesn't always work that way, but 9 out of 10 times the best setups work that way. That's all I could say. Sometimes, like Google, for example, did something very well. It did it more towards the end of the day. If you like my plans, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. It's a new channel I opened up just recently, maybe 4 months, less than that. And I want to show you another great place. But yeah, subscribe. What you're going to see is a Sandro Power Target Trade at the end of the video. When we get to the end, it'll show up over here in a circle. Click the subscribe button, and you'll automatically subscribe. If you have an issue, just come here manually and hit the subscribe button. Check out my website here. I want to show you the reason why. There's some great information for you to see. So if you click on this link, let's click on the link and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, and then it opens up the site. Nice animation here in the back. Looks great. Yeah. But here's the key. This video here. Goog, 300% gains in 3 days. Apple, 200% gains in 4 days. These stocks confirm my plan. And this is a documented video showing the plan before the move and what happened after the move. Because we have a before, we can have an after, right? And so this is a very well documented video. I suggest you check out this video. It's great information, and check out some other great things on my website. Just check it out. These are great information about me, great amazing plans I make, a lot of great trades, people. Another trade that I like is this GLNG. Check it out. GLNG, check that one out. You can find it in my video section. All right, thanks for listening, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video.